said, my name is Isabella Palmgren. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Mimbly, and we create sustainable laundry solutions. Let's see if this works. Here we go. 25% of the water consumption in an average household goes to laundry. All of this warm water is then just released into the sewer full of microplastics. And one wash can release 9 million of these tiny fibers. They come from fleece, workout clothes, anything that's made out of plastic. And they go straight through our water treatment plants and end up in our oceans. And looking at the microplastics in our oceans, 35% actually comes from laundry. They get eaten by plankton and then by fish and in the end by you and me. And every week we eat about a credit card worth of microplastics. While at the same time, 5 billion people are experiencing water stress every year. So we started thinking, do we really need drinkable water to clean our clothes? The answer is, of course, no. We need clean enough water to clean our clothes. We want the same results, but we don't need drinkable water for our laundry machines. So then we developed the Mimbox. This is an add-on water recycling system for laundry machines. It recycles up to 90% of the water. It requires less energy because we can have the heat in the box. And then we stop the microplastics. So even the water that we don't reuse, we still filter from microplastics. The box is attached to 2 machines at the same time to maximize the savings. So this is an average looking laundry room looking in Nordics or in Sweden. And with all the sensors that we have in the Mimbox, we gather a lot of data so that we can show our customers in real time how much water and energy they're saving, but also how much money they're actually saving. We also gather other things because we make the whole laundry room smart. So we can see if they're overdosing on detergents, which machines are being programmed, how often they're being used, and so on, which is data that's interesting for other actors as well. Our market as of now is hotels, apartment complexes that have shared laundry rooms. It's also cleaning companies and companies that do a lot of laundry. We have currently signed on 20 of the biggest real estate owners in the Nordics, and we have started installation with Core, which is a facility management company. And all of these together have around 900 laundry rooms, and we're going to start the installations this year. Our business model as of now is that we're making the professional Mimbox. So this is one Mimbox that's attached to 1 or 2 professional laundry machines. In the future, we also want to make a Mimbox that's attached to 1 machine, a consumer machine, or even having the Mimbox technology inside of a normal laundry machine. But this we want to do with other companies in the future. Looking at the professional Mimbox, as of today, it costs $3,000. It has a payoff time, a return of investment of between 2.5 years to 5 years. This depends on where you live and how much water and energy costs in your municipality. In Sweden, water is very cheap. In the US, that's not the case. So this is a better product in a lot of other markets than in the Nordics. And then it has a lifetime of between 10 to 15 years. We have a great team already. Both me and Robin are here on the call today, and Emil and Nicholas are in charge of the tech. We're currently hiring more people in Sweden. So if you know anyone that lives around this area that wants to work with us, let us know. And what we're looking for right now is more hotels and laundromats that are international. So we have our first customers when we enter these new markets. We also have an investment round in the end of this year, beginning of next year, where we're going to take in between 1.5 to 2 million US. So if you're interested in that also, let us know. But to be able to have a big impact, we need to sell a lot of systems. So with 30,000 systems out on the market, we can together with our customers save 45 million cubic meters of water and 114 gigawatts of energy. And that is what we really want to do. So join us in revolutionizing the laundry industry. Thank you.